cat doing here? Stupid no move. I can't believe I liked that when I was a kid. It was just so stupid. OMG. I'd just rather text my friend. Stupid Elmo. I can't believe it's Jay went from earlier. Oh my god, it's alive! It's gonna be a thing now! Oh no!
To be continued.